Hey, Nicholas here. I know I said that I was only going to do an update, like, once a week, but something happened to me at work after I'd filmed my first video yesterday, and it just... I wanted to put it out there, because it was really... It's a good question, like, okay, these two little girls, they were around, like, 6, came up to me, and they were just... Well, as their mom said, they had been asking everybody this, but they came up to me while I was zoning, and they said, "Are you a boy?" And I wasn't really dressed like a guy. Like, I had a sports bra on, but girl pants and a plain baggy work shirt. And I wanted to say yes, because I've been in a guy mode and everything, but I just didn't know, if that would be appropriate, because I knew their mom wasn't going to think I was a guy. And I know I couldn't pass my voice off as a guy. And they asked me, like, 4 or 5 times. And eventually, like, I just didn't say anything, just pretended I was playing with them. But I really couldn't think of an answer. I couldn't think if... I didn't know, because it was at work, and everybody at work knows me as a girl, and, only one person there knows. And I didn't feel like explaining what being gender fluid is to 6-year-olds. But I couldn't admit that I was a girl either. That just didn't feel comfortable enough for me. And, eventually, like, their mom said, she said, "Look at Mom. Is Mom a boy?" And she said, "Then that is definitely not a boy." And, felt a teeny bit insulted, but it got them to leave me alone. And then after that, they went, "Are you a girl?" And they must have said that 2 or 3 times. And I said, "Why don't you figure it out for yourself?" And they're like, one of them goes, "I think you're a girl." And then they left. Anyway, if anybody's watching these, I just wanted to put that up there and see if a similar situation has happened to anybody like that. Or, I don't know, some advice for how you would handle that, because I personally don't really know what to do in that kind of thing. Anyway, short video, and I'll see you guys next week.